Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where volume keeps muting automatically on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the playing audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. The next one is to update the sound drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Expand the list for audio and inputs and outputs. Right click and update each and every driver. You need to update all of them, even if they're not related, because all of these drivers are interlinked. Then, obviously, try System Restore. Search for Recovery in the Windows search bar and open Recovery. Click on Open System Restore. Select Next. Select a good restore point. Next, and then click on finish and finally click on yes to initiate the system restore process. And finally run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. The command is msdt.exe space forward slash id space device diagnostic. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Paste the command here and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next to initiate the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.